Hi, today we're back with the stretchy crown tutorial. So I'm going to start off with my triangle head wrap, and I'm going to place it slightly behind my hairline. And to make sure it's on there firmly, I'm going to tie the back into a knot. Then I'm just going to start twisting as if it's a ponytail all the way down to the bottom. Holding the bottom of the twisted head wrap, you twist it around in the back until it buns. Once you come to the bottom, you just kind of tuck it in as neatly as possible, and then you have a bun head wrap. Next, we have a top knot with a twist. So I'll put it at the nape of my hair. I bring it up. Since I don't have much, I add a little scarf in there, tie it in a knot. The smaller the hole, the better. So this is a top knot with a twist. So I just twist around. Then I just start twisting, and then I tuck it into that little hole and bring it around and make sure it is in there nice and secure. And boom, we have a top knot with a twist. Next, I take my turquoise head wrap. This one is going to be more like a headband look. So you just twist it, crisscross it, and then you just kind of tuck it in the back. This will be really cute for someone who likes to wear their hair in a pineapple or maybe even down. This is for my ladies who like to cover their whole head. So I'm going to put the head wrap right on my hairline. I'm going to bring it around. I'm not going to knot it. I'm just going to bring it up to the front, twist it a few times, and then I'm going to tuck it as securely as possible, twist it again in the back. So the thing to these head wraps is just kind of tuck in. The stretchy is easier to tuck, honestly. And boom, there you have it. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Now I'm going to be showing a side front twist crown. So I bring it to the nape of my neck, slightly tie it to the side, and I knot it. And again, you're just going to twist your little heart away. Twist, twist, twist. And then once I get twisted to the bottom, I'm going to bring it around the top of my head. And once again, tuck it right in the back and make sure it's nice, tight, and secure. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope it helps a lot. Check out the site for your crown today.